Bharadadalong Keiso Pan Kilangrop ang Tek Aday Kavi Pinpen Apran Kidam ng Kalitang Angel Chakma Pan Ahokakang Sai Pivek ng Jipusi Kidamtang Arkoy ni Pai Kithomarni Karbianglong Opposition Political Parties sa Hinpen Karbi Club at Hengnolong Kachesong Pedopon Bharadaded angkang Jesimet Mainland India along Northeast along Riapan Kachinya Pai ki kompen joksi Northeast along Rianat ke doa khaya tumapan RJ Asap kachi prek dun pen Chinese Chinki Nepali lapen kaprek amen nangki ir lapuson pensi kilang rob lapen kahiji mason sido lapen penangan atum la soa kisung pen kaching tang nang penangan tami dolo lason thot si kedam tang surihni raing ko phomati jonga chekloni phai ingkor trogarni Tripura along Ripen Dehradun along Ri MBA ke Charlie Bomb Ariso Kalitang Angel Chakma Artaninkan Incorrectly Apan Dehradun along Rialong Bangpo Tung alang Ripan Chinese Bu Kiputot Pen Kachinek Ajok Apran Armuten Laso Alam Pen Ajok Det Piang Kang along Lapen Northeast ang Kang along Tami Isi Kapre Nini Lapen Ningduk Atomonsi Japon Bangso Jok Arkoy ni Pai Kithomarni Karbianglong All Opposition Political Party atum pen chelangsi diporong sopi Karbi Club athengnolong dharna ingni ponsi kepathivek abangphu atumapan sodakakang saimate nep ingnang konserak nang jipusi All Party Hills Leaders Conference amaipu Jaikathar IAS retired CPIML pen Ruby Kumar Phangcho pen kechenglok penangan rachari asong atum pen lamthi chepaklak pon rinti
He was killed because his appearance looks like in Indian Mongolian. Our appearance is not chosen by us. Our race is not chosen by us. It is God given to us. Therefore, we demanded the murderers of Angel Chakma must be punished and they must be hanged unto death. We demand that we Indian Mongolian also have got the same right like the Indo-Aryan people, those who have come from Iran. Not only they, but we Indian Mongolian people, Drabir and Adivasi, those who belong to Negro race, they also have the same right to live in India. Therefore, we demand that this racial hatred by fascist BJP and Bajrang Dal, this must be stopped. And now also we are in fear because our relatives, our children are in Delhi, in different places in Northeast, in North India. Therefore, we demand that the government must take stringent steps to stop this racial hatred against Indian Mongolian.
চাকমা ছাত্ৰ সন্থা কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ আমাৰ প্ৰেমচৰণ চাকমা তেওঁ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট হয় তেওঁ আজি আমালোকৰ লগত সহযোগিতা কৰিছে গতিকে তেখেতসকলেও ক'ব গতিকে আজি অকল এই ঘটনা বুলিয়ে নহয় উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলত যিমানখিনি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী অধ্যয়নৰত হৈ থকা অৱস্থাতেই বহুতক হত্যা কৰা হৈছে আৰু লগতে এই পৰহিদিনাখন নগাঁৱতে কাৰ্বি ছোৱালী এজনী এই সৰু বাইলৰ 9 বছৰীয়া ছোৱালীজনীক পিছফালৰ পৰা গৈ
News Report Karbinglong Live